north central Georgia, central White County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Union County in north central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Turner's Corner, or 7 miles northeast of Dahlonega, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Helen, Umatilla State Park, Woodley Gap Shelter, Robertstown, Low Gap Shelter, Camp Coleman Lake, Smith Galwood Conservation R, Porter Springs, Turner's Corner, Blood Mountain Shelter, Suckee, Gooch Mountain Shelter, and Qualachi Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7